Welcome back. This is the phone repair series. Today we've got an iPhone. iPhone's working just fine, really. The battery's getting a little tougher to charge, but the main one is the charging jack itself has worn loose. So it no longer provides a charge. It wiggles too much. It's totally worn out. Now that could be because of lint and all that, but this is the second iPhone I've had that's done that to me. But it's an easy repair. So basically your tools will be, we have a set of safety glasses, which we're wearing a pair already, rags, probably some Windex would help, and really most repairs can be done with just a simple screwdriver set like this. We have a couple straights and a couple Phillips, small type for the small screws that we'll be dealing with as we take this phone apart. But the main first thing you want to do is just smash the fuck out of this fucking thing. Fuck. Too fucking prick. And as you can see, it comes apart just fine. From here we'll do our repairs by throwing it in the fucking ground.